Hi, welcome to this series of videos. We're so excited to have you. My name is Arman Ramim and I am a medical imaging physicist. I have been in the field for 20 years, over a decade of which was at Johns Hopkins University and at University of British Columbia and the British Columbia Cancer Agency.
Hi, and I'm Carlos Uribe. I'm a medical imaging physicist as well here in British Columbia, Canada. I have a clinical appointment with the agency, but I also have a faculty appointment with the University of British Columbia, and we're involved in the clinical environment, in the research environment, and in the teaching environment. And this is part of what we do for our vision with teaching. That's why we decided to put these lectures together, and we want to invite you to navigate through these with us, and hopefully you're going to learn a lot.
Yeah, our mission is to do transformative research and also to help train the next generation of fantastic experts. So we're very excited to be sharing our learning, which includes foundational knowledge, but also technical know-hows, and help contribute to your learning. So thank you for joining us. On this series of videos, over 40 of them, we're going to cover a broad range of very interesting topics on radioisotopes, their introduction, principles of radioactivity, instrumentation aspects when it comes to nuclear medicine instruments, planar imaging, SPECT imaging, PET imaging. We're going to talk about the principles of tomography. We're going to talk about radiopharmaceutical therapies and theranostics, how to do quantitative imaging, and many other interesting topics. To better understand this field, we also recommend you check out this textbook and read the relevant chapters as we move along these videos that we're presenting to you, and also do the Q&A at the end of each of the chapters to really master the topics that are being presented to you.
And here we have some other recommended references that we find useful that are going to help you for this course. We've also found some useful apps that are going to help you find information about the different radioisotopes that we're going to be talking that are going to be useful in nuclear medicine. On the top row on this slide, we show some applications that you can find on your phone. There's iPhone and Android apps. And at the bottom, there's this very good website that also gives you the information, and you can browse it on your computer. Okay, and Arman and I are leading what we call the Qurit Lab, which stands for Quantitative Radiomolecular Imaging and Therapy. We have a GitHub page for this where we typically post code, and we have what we call Awesome Qurit, which is giving you more resources that you might find useful as you go through this course. So make sure you also take a look at that, and we'll keep adding over time, so you should come back to those pages as they evolve.
Carlos and I want to dedicate this course to the memory of the late Dr. Anna Seller, and we want to build on her legacy of disseminating learning. And we want to especially acknowledge Mahak Osuli, who was instrumental in editing these videos that are being presented to you, and also Luke Paulson for doing an amazing job of introducing these videos to you.